Hi, I am Zoe Bray-Cotton, certified yoga instructor. Question: is it possible to do a super simple yoga challenge from the comfort of your home to shape and tone your body, de-stress and relieve tension, manage your weight, boost metabolism and overall just be a happier, healthier, more vibrant person? The answer is yes. This totally unique routine is designed for women that would like to experience the wonderful benefits of yoga while being able to burn calories, manage their weight and get into great shape. The Yoga Burn routine is fast-paced and challenging and uses the proven principles of progression to help women trim down, tighten up, and get fit. This exact Yoga Burn routine has been followed successfully by many thousands of real, everyday women from all walks of life across the globe and can be done anytime, anywhere. Simply click the link in the description to watch my presentation as I walk you through exactly how to use this simple yoga challenge for yourself. Just be sure to watch this presentation until the end because I saved the very best for last.